Ladies and gentlemen, is our target. As you see, my hand is wet. I'm now trying to remove the clamp. You see, coolant is leaking down. Okay, so this is the coolant hose plug. We are going to use it to replace the defective or the worn out coolant hose plug in this car. This is really an awful packaging. Doesn't impress me whatsoever, but oh, it's two pieces. Look. Okay, we have two pieces of it. This is the exact thing that I was looking for, so I'm gonna install it later. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.